Hello everybody. Today I'm going to open a few packages and see I don't know where my knife is. Okay, I'm just gonna use this. Okay. Alright, I remember this one. I will probably do this repair right away. This was for one capacitor. Let me see if I can still find it. Yeah, I remember this job, but because I moved, I can't remember where I put it. Is that here? Yeah, perfect, I found it. Okay, this is this capacitor. Okay, so let's do some repairs. This one I will do, and then I have one more part that I got. So I'm gonna remove this capacitor and replace it with this one. It's a similar one. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, I'll think what to do with the other membrane, but for now I'm just continuing. So this is your minus, this is your minus, and this side is a plus. So I'm gonna turn my vent and I'll put additional light here so I'll see a little bit better. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna remove those 2 points. Okay, this leg is free now. There's a little bit of silicone, I don't know if you guys saw, but I'm gonna remove it as well right now. That's an easy repair compared to the one I had, and I can probably still repair it, but the amount of damage I have, I'll show you in the next video maybe, but I just want to continue working because I have few things I have to finish, few jobs here. So yeah, you can see this capacitor is no good. It's gonna go to the garbage. And make sure the minus is on a minus, and then put some solder, fix it, and I can ship it out, which is perfect. Flux is your friend. Put a bit flux. And this side is good. This side is good too. New working area, I have to get used to it. I think couple days I'm gonna be fine here. It's not that bad actually. I like it better because the It's glass tables, and it's actually a little bit better to work on. Now I'm just gonna clean it. Where's my brush? Hopefully there's no glue left from the previous job. Okay. Okay, so this repair is complete. Thank you for watching. This is the good capacitor. The bad capacitor, I showed you how it looked like. So this one is all fixed and ready to go. All what I have to do is just put it back in the place, and that's all. Thank you for watching and take care.